In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your display settings in OBS Studio for the best possible viewing experience. OBS Studio is a powerful tool used for screen recording and live streaming, and getting your display settings just right can make a significant difference in the quality of your presentations. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, sharing presentations for work, or streaming your gaming sessions live, proper display setup is crucial. To begin, you'll need to open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't already installed OBS, make sure to download it from the official OBS project website to ensure you have the latest version with all the updated features and security patches. Once you have OBS Studio up and running, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't done so already. You'll see different panels like Scenes, Sources, Audio Mixer, Scene Transitions, and Controls, which are all critical components of the software. Now focus on the Sources panel. This is where you'll manage what your audience will see during your recording or live stream. If you haven't yet added a display capture source, you'll want to do that. In the Sources panel, click the plus sign to add a new display capture source. Name it something recognizable, especially if you have multiple sources, to keep things organized. With your display capture now added, you'll see your screen within the OBS interface. However, it may not be perfectly sized to your preview window, which can lead to some awkward framing when capturing or streaming. No worries though, because resizing it is quite straightforward. Hover your mouse over the display capture source in the sources list, right-click it, and a context menu will appear. From this menu, select the Transform option. You might notice that there are several options under Transform, which allow for different kinds of adjustments. For this setup, you'll want to click on Stretch to Screen. Choosing Stretch to Screen will automatically adjust your display to fill the screen completely, eliminating any black bars or uneven borders that might appear. This adjustment is designed to ensure that your display fits perfectly within the OBS canvas, providing a clean and professional look for your audience. It's a simple step, but it makes a world of difference in the presentation quality. And just like that, you're done. Your display should now be perfectly aligned, and you're ready to go live or record your next great project with confidence. Remember to routinely check your settings in OBS Studio, especially if you change monitors or display settings, to maintain optimal visual quality. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your OBS Studio experience. Happy streaming!